Hey guys, it's Phineas. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we're going to talk about the 10 surprising uses of distilled water. I happen to have one here. The reason I have this, I just have this on hand, is because I have a cigar humidor. I haven't smoked cigars in many years, but I still have a humidor. And what you do is you soak the filters of the humidor in distilled water and then let them dry out and then put them back in the humidor. It's supposed to keep your cigars fresh. That's why I have that. This was $1.29. This used to be like 30 cents, remember? Alright, so we're going to talk about 10 different uses for it. Just kind of like what we did with the 10 uses of vodka, which was my favorite video because I didn't know any of that. And 10 uses of Dawn, I'll put those videos below. I'm going to do part 2 on Dawn because there's so many cool uses for Dawn. Anyway, so what is distilled water? Here's a definition. Distilled water is made by boiling water into steam, allowing the steam to rise, and then cooling it down to condense back into liquid form, leaving behind its impurities and minerals. So it's like a cleaner version of tap water. All right, so let's go over to 10. And number 10, when we get number 10, I'm going to taste it. I'm going to taste test it and see if I can tell. If I can tell the difference between what I have 2 glasses here of the Crystal Light powder drink mix, 0 calories or 5 calories. And one's made with distilled water, one's made with tap water. I'm marked on the bottom. I don't know. I mixed them up. So we'll see if I can tell. I don't think I'll be able to tell. My palate's not that good, I don't think. All right, so number 1, uses for distilled water. Drinking water. It's free of impurities, minerals, and contaminants. It's not ideal for hydration because it lacks a lot of minerals, but it's useful for people who need pure water for medical or health reasons. Number 2, all right, I'm not good at pronouncing this word. Steam irons. Iron, you know, iron clothes. Iron clothes. All right. I don't own an iron, but I used to, but I don't need to iron anything. But it's good because distilled water prevents mineral buildup in steam irons, which can clog them and reduce efficiency. So if you're ironing clothes, it's better to use distilled water so it doesn't clog up the iron over time. Number 3, this is pretty cool. Aquariums. Now, way back in the day, I had aquariums. They're a lot of fun. They're too much work for me now. I don't want to get into all that, but they are cool. Distilled water can be used for fish tanks, especially for a delicate species, as it lacks harmful chemicals and minerals that can alter the water's pH levels. So if you got like a fancy delicate species, you don't want to use tap water, you can use distilled water. Gardening. Sometimes used in hydroponics or to water-sensitive plants that are too sensitive for to minerals. So if you got like a sensitive plants, instead of using tap water, you might use distilled water for those sensitive plants. Cooking and baking. Using distilled water in recipes like baking ensures purity and may also help with consistency in recipes that require exact water measurements. I didn't understand that part. You can measure tap water the same you can measure distilled water. You can measure them both exact, but whatever. Number 6, rinsing fruits and vegetables. It's used to remove pesticides or dirt without introducing contaminants from tap water. All right, so if you're eating super clean and you don't want the impurities from tap water, you can rinse your fruit and veggies with distilled water. Number 7, this one's interesting to me. Baby formula preparation. Like you got a newborn baby, you don't want to give them tap water maybe because it's not the healthiest. So baby formula, ideal for making infant formula, ensuring no harmful contaminants or minerals are in there for your baby. I can respect that. Number 8, for cleaning and rinsing. Distilled water can be used to clean delicate surfaces like glass, mirrors, and electronics. Won't streak and it won't leave behind water spots or mineral residue. That's similar to vodka. I think it said the same, like number 8, also used for vodka because it doesn't leave streaks behind and it doesn't leave water spots, and it's delicate for like electronics. Number 9, humidifiers. Using distilled water in humidifiers can prevent the buildup of mineral deposits and ensure better air quality. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't have one of those either. All right, number 10. This is one that we can all try. I'm going to try it here too. Tea, coffee, or powdered drinks. Use it for making beverages to avoid altering the taste with minerals present in tap water. All right, so next time you make coffee or tea or your powdered drinks, try with distilled water over tap water and see if you can tell the difference. I'm going to see if I can tell the difference. I got two right here. They're mixed up. They're the exact same drink, eating the exact same amount, pretty much. And on the bottom, it has, I don't know which one's which. It has distilled water, and one of them I made with tap water. Now, I know I ain't able to tell the difference, but let's just see. I'm gonna try them both. It's supposed to taste more pure, like I can taste the flavor of the drink more if it's distilled water over tap water. I guess, you know, tap water's bad, I guess. Okay. You know, delicious. Man, I knew I couldn't. Let's see. I'm gonna say this one. Can you guess if I got it right or wrong? I got it wrong. I knew I would be able to tell. Yeah. So this is the distilled water, and I got it wrong. It kind of tastes the same to me. I figured it might, but I guess it's healthier for distilled water. You can taste the flavors more in your coffee, or your tea, or your powdered drinks, because tap water is a little more funkified. Anyway, I knew I'd get it wrong. Why couldn't I get it right on camera? You know, that'd been cool. But we gotta keep it real, though. All right, that's all I got today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I have other videos like this. I'll leave the vodka and Dawn one down below so it's easier to find if you're interested. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much. And let me know in the comments if you guys know other reasons, other uses of distilled water, or if you use it in your coffee or your tea or whatever. Because I didn't even think about doing that in the past. And I got it wrong. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.